Welcome to Thermal Raceway, just outside Palm Springs, California. A track that's living up to its extra boiling name today. And not just because it's scorching out, but because I'm here for the debut of the hot new 2022 Subaru WRX. This 5th gen WRX brings a lot of new things to the table and to the track. And while I can't drive it just yet, I have been promised some hot laps with the rally car driver whose name says it all, Scott Speed. The ride was exhilarating. Even from the passenger seat, you can feel the broader power band that keeps you in the torque curve longer. He took some hard, fast corners and the grip was impressive. It really seems to respond much more quickly and there's definitely less roll in the corners. On the automatic, we tested out both the Sport and Comfort suspension modes. Sport mode obviously offered a stiffer suspension. It was great at keeping grip on the inside of a corner, perfect for the track or twisty roads. Switching to a Comfort setting softens things up, which is good for a more relaxed ride on road, but also great for more suspension travel when driving hard off-road. Perhaps most exciting is what's under the hood. Gone is the old 2-liter engine in favor of a larger 2.4-liter Boxer power plant. Power is up only slightly from 268 horsepower to 271, and torque stays steady, but Subaru promises a much broader power band. Controlling all that power is your choice of a 6-speed manual or the brand's new automatic option, the Subaru Performance Transmission. It offers 30% faster upshifts and 50% faster downshifts and includes rev matching under braking, while holding gears under cornering for faster response when you want to get on the power. Outside, the new WRX delivers what you expect with a few surprises. There's the usual wide-body design with flared fenders, although now they're highlighted by this textured rally-style body cladding. On the front fenders are air outlets designed to reduce lift on the front axle for improved stability. Similarly, outlets on the rear fenders reduce sway. And speaking of handling, Subaru has made great strides to improve driving dynamics of the 5th gen WRX. For starters, it's built on the new Subaru Global platform, which offers better structural rigidity for better handling, not to mention a smoother and quieter ride. Additional benefits include a lowered center of gravity, while a new rear stabilizer bar mounted to the body, not just the subframe, further eliminates rolling corners. And to maximize all those enhancements is a new dual-pinion electric power steering system for quicker responses and improved steering feel. Inside, there's a lot to love, from a flat bottom steering wheel to the red stitching and carbon fiber accents. But the central focus is the tablet-style Subaru Starlink 11.6-inch display screen that has the unique split-screen capability to show navigation and audio at the same time. We also love that Subaru retains actual physical controls for volume and temperature settings. But perhaps the hottest news of all is the new GT trim level. Inside, it gets Recaro seats wrapped in grippy Ultra Suede, plus 18-inch matte gray wheels on the outside. But the really exciting part for driving enthusiasts is the new Drive Mode Selector, which doesn't just let you control steering feel, throttle response, and transmission settings on the standard SPT automatic transmission, but also the new electronically controlled dampers. In total, there are 430 different ways to configure the ride settings. While riding along in a car isn't quite the same as driving for yourself, I will say that this 5th gen WRX is plenty faster and significantly more agile. It's got more technology, performance, and safety than ever before and arrives at dealers in early 2022.